Good evening, everybody. I've been in my office making my Sunday night videos, and so now we've come to week 7 of Nursing 673 Advanced Pathophysiology 1. And I'm sure that you're all starting to get a little anxious as we get closer to the final exam. And I am in the process of developing the PowerPoint presentation that we will review on at 8 p.m. on February 20th. It's quite long because remember I have 2 sections and each section has a different version of the exam. So I have to ensure that I am covering all material. Able to see it. But if that happens in the future, we're getting to be on a roll here, and we're going to move forward in just a couple of weeks to Advanced Pathophysiology 2. And I'm going to, if we have a fluctuation in course load, we may have to make some minor changes. But you've worked together now for so many weeks. I think it would be to your advantage to keep those work groups the same. I'm also going to allow you to make the decision amongst team members who the leader will be for the week. I think that will work out better for you all as opposed to my assigning who the leader is or letting the computer choose, because that's how I had been doing it. I let the computer pick. So I'll let you all pick. I think that'll be more beneficial. I are worth a lot of points. They're worth 200 points. And why should a member of the team get 200 points if they're not participating? So it's very important. And it's a responsibility of the group leader to let me know if that's not happening. Okay? So here we go. Alterations of the renal and urinary tract function. Last week I posted some. I find those help. And let's look to see. 7 and 8. Your last case study in Patho 1. All right. So as previous, week 7, that's going to be tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. to week 7 Wednesday. The patient videos and assessment data are available to review by group members. So follow the same format. You have to go through this every step to make sure that you're doing it correctly. And remember, the whole So it's important for you to have a good understanding of how those things work. All right, so Thursday, week 8, 8:30 a.m. All video case studies for the week will be opened with all drawers and information visible for viewing. Group members will compare their treatment plan with that of the healthcare professional. Readily prepared that you've done everything that you need to do. I know, um, check your microphone, make sure that you have a webcam, go through all of the steps necessary. You didn't have a good understanding of the flow providing. If I haven't responded to you within 2 hours, I've not gotten your message. Email me again. If I do not respond to you again in another 2 hours, I want you to text me. One thing I wanted to make note of too is because I am teaching, I teach 5 different classes. Some of them are the same, so the content is similar. So, as example, I'm teaching 2 cohorts of advanced patho. So, it's very important for you to put down your course number and your cohort number so I know what class you're referring to. And then I will get back to you as quickly as possible. So, have a good evening, and I'll see you in the posts.